Hello guys, welcome back to InfoTek's channel Tesla blog. Well, Tesla summon function is finally back. Before October 2024, Tesla summon was available only for customers who paid full price for their Tesla full self-drive. Now for newer models like 2023, 2024, for sure, summon will work as a demo version.
Oh my God.
Behind me is 2023 Tesla Model Y performance, and I will show you how Tesla Summon works, the tricks and limitations that come with your Tesla Summon feature. I'll show you if Summon works everywhere or only on a parking lot. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Let's go. Now, what if your car is on your driveway and you want your car to come to you if you are on a public road? First, what is public road? Pretty much any road next to your house that's considered to be for public use. In this case, you will see a short or brief text message on your cell phone when you try to call your car, and it will say it's not working on public road. You will see a button that says go to target, which is your location where you hold your cell phone. Or for some Tesla vehicles, the button would say come to me. And if you press on that button and you are on a public road, it will say it's not working on public road setting. However, you can still move your car to yourself even though you stand on the public road, as you can see on that video. So my car can be moved up and down the driveway, and I can call it towards myself, and it drives all the way up to the public road if you stand across the street. So it can still work, but you will need to press and hold on one of these arrow buttons on the bottom. Basically, arrow up means car will be moving forward, arrow down, car would be moving backwards. You can see I'm able to move my car down the driveway all the way up to me, and it crosses public road, although it says someone is not working on public roads. And then you can move your car up the driveway. Of course, it's going to be a good feature when your car is trapped between two cars standing closer to you, or maybe you parked too close to the bush or tree. You can move your car up and down, which will make your access to the driver door easier. Your Tesla vehicle is fully aware of obstacles, other cars, and trash cans and trees and people walking around it, and will disengage if it senses danger of colliding into an object or a person. You can move your car up and down the road or driveway or parking slot with or without people inside. Now let's test it on a parking lot. This is where your Tesla Summon actually fully works. So it comes to you, it comes to target, and if you stand in front of a giant store or a bank, it will come straight to your position on map. All you need to do after opening Tesla application on your cell phone is press and hold go to target button, and hold it until your car fully comes to you. Unfortunately, at times it disengages. If you are at a busy plaza and a lot of cars are moving around and people walking around your car, it will continuously disengage. And sometimes you need to let go of the button, go to target and press it back and hold, or just continue holding, and it kind of restarts the process and tries to get to your location again. If you ask me, I still don't believe it's worth spending $6,000 or $8,000 on full self-drive with Summon. On the other hand, Tesla is definitely moving in the right direction. They continuously improve their product, and that's what's important. Sooner or later, they will bring prices down on full self-drive and Summon option. After all, it's just a software update. I'm pretty sure they can bring price down to $2,000. And at this point, a lot of people will be willing to purchase it. That would be it for today. If you have a Tesla vehicle, definitely try Summon option. If you're not sure how it works, follow my video for tips. And until next video, God bless and take care.